Just got out of the shower and it's time to try out my new hair dryer. So fast, honestly. I can't believe that. Holy volume. Crazy. It's time to style it, but wow. Oh, I don't think I've had this much volume unless I was at the hair salon. What? It's like whisper quiet. Love that. Okay then. My hairstylist has definitely helped me see the value of a good blowout hairstyle. For one thing, I was this many years old when I realized you don't just blow dry your hair every which way. There's actually tricks to the trade.